Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. Well, this is the third episode of the recreation series where I recreate popular home decor brand products at home under a budget. So if you want to watch more, then please head over to my channel where I have more videos on the same. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can recreate these MedTerra Palm Leaves at home, and these would look absolutely stunning if you place them anywhere in your house, and this gives a very boho and chic look to your house. So yeah, I won't take much of your time and let's just get started. To start off, I am going to take this sheet of brown paper and fold it into half. Now, making a slant cut, I will take out a triangle from the sheet. The triangle now has to be alternatively folded into thin strips until the page ends. Now fold this unit from its center to give the sheet a palm-like shape. Now take any sharp object, preferably a compass, and pin a hole in the center of each sheet, making its way up. Once done, insert a square from the bottom to the top, and lastly put some glue gun to paste the leaf together. To give some variations to the leaf, you can also try making a few cuts on the top. Now, to make some white Pompous grass, take a sheet of white crepe paper or even normal paper would do and cut a thin long strip. Using a scissor, shred the strip but do leave some space on the top so that it can be later sticked onto a skewer. Now, use some glue and roll the strip on the skewer like shown. And well, you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it and the recreation was worth your time. Well, I will be coming up with such videos every Wednesday at 6 PM, so please keep an eye. And for that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon just in case you want to get notified every time I put up a new video. Apart from that, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down your views below, and please share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody. Keeping all that aside, you can also head over to my Instagram page where I keep posting such reels on different topics, and I think you will definitely enjoy them because they are much more faster and are much more cooler as well and take a hell lot of mehnat. So please show some support there as well. Follow me on my Instagram page and I promise to come up with very promising content. And that is it from my side for this video. Until next time, take care, bye bye, see you soon.